Today, with the help of Adobe Illustrator, we'll be creating 3D pie chart, and also I'll be giving you each and every detail information. So, let's start. Hello everyone, this is Ditsaru with Coding Design. Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now let's create the artboard. For the artboard, I didn't give any name because I am lazy. You can give any name, okay? So I have gave the dimension of 1280 by 720, and for the mode you can choose any portrait or landscape, but I chose landscape mode, okay? If you want to change more options, you can go to advanced options and you can choose, okay, as per your need. Everything is good for me, so I'm good to go. So let's hit create button. If you have basic toolbar, you need to change it to advanced so that you could get each and every tool that you need, okay? And now if I press J, you will get the column graph tool. But if you see at the second last option, there is pie graph tool. You can choose that. If you hold your mouse and drag, you can create pie graph. But I don't want to do this. I want to give like a specific height and width for the pie graph. So I'm just clicking. So I'm giving 520 pixel for both width and height. You can see new window pops up. You can give any specific value. So if you want to give any value, you can give it that way, okay? But I'm not going to do this because I do have some other file, the file that I'll be importing it, okay? So how will you import? So to import, like, you can press that first button and you can import the file, txt file, okay? And I'll show you. Okay, this is the file, and you can create it, like you can go inside the file and you can give any value without hitting spacebar. You should hit tab button, and again you could give another value. Each and every, like when you are giving new value, just hit tab and give new value, okay? When you are saving this file, the file's extension should be .txt file, and you are ready to go. Similarly, now you can change the dimension, and also, like, if you want to add the number of columns, if you want to add more number of columns, you can do that. So everything is okay for me, so I'm hitting that tick mark. Now let's take the selection tool, or you can press V, and let's give the proper position. Now if you right click, you can see their option type. With the help of that option, you could change the type of the graph. Like you could change like pie graph to bar graph, or like if you want to give like horizontal graph. Similarly, if you hit the enter key, you can get the same window with same options, okay? Now if you want to bring legends at the top, you can check that option. If you don't want any legends to appear, then you can choose that hide legend option. Similarly, if you want to bring the legends at the center of pie chart, then you could choose that option. So there are lots of options like you can choose, okay? So as per your need, you can choose any option. For me, I would like this one, okay? So let's press OK. Okay, this one is the important one. Like if you want to modify the data that you have previously like entered, so how would you modify, or how would you get back that data? And if you want to change any data, how would you change? So right click the option data, just click that option. Now you can see like these all the items are in group. So if you go to the object menu and if you hit the ungroup option, you'll get the warning message, okay? So before doing that, let's first of all, I want to show you something. Let's change the color, okay? If you change the color, you can see each and everything, it's now blue. Now you can press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup the layers, so you get the same warning message. If you hit OK, make sure that the data that you have given was the final data, then only you could ungroup the layers, okay? Now you can't see any kind of option when you right click Now you can't like modify any data. However, when you press the enter key, you could still change the type of the graph. And now I want to change the color of the pie graph. Now I'm again pressing the Ctrl Shift G to ungroup the elements. Now you can see in the layers panel they are separated to their own layers. Okay, so now I want to change the each layer's color. Okay, so I'm changing that. Now I'm speeding up the process. So yeah, let's do this. If you know like any hexadecimal color value or RGB color value, you can give, or just you can, with the help of color picker, you can choose any color. If you have any kind of favorite color, you can choose any color and just give the color. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing this. Okay, so it's taking a bit long time, so I'm speeding up the process. So yeah, for the last time, let's ungroup the layer. So let's take it to the proper position, and if you press L, you can get the ellipse tool. To make the perfect circle, you have to hold Alt Shift. Okay, and when you drag, you will get the perfect circle. Now let's take the selection tool. You can press V, select circle and pie graph. Now let's take the shape builder tool, or you can press Shift M. Now holding the Alt key, drag your mouse inside the circle and release. Now you can see there is hole inside the pie graph. Now once again, let's take the selection tool and let's select, and let's go to the object menu and choose the option group, or you can press Ctrl G to group the elements or layers. Now our pie graph and the circle is now in group. Now let's go to the effect menu, choose the option 3D, bevel and extrude. Now you can give any angle, so you can play with this value. So you can play with this value and the angle that you like, you can choose that. Okay, so let's hit OK. Now you can see like black color around the pie graph. It's due to that stroke. First of all, let's select and let's remove that stroke. Okay, now it's looking better. Now let's take the direct selection tool, or you can press A, and you can select individual piece, and you can select and you can give the appropriate position. Okay, so I'm giving the different positions for different elements. Okay, so now let's remove the borders of Legend Scholar 2. So let's take the text a bit far. Now it's looking better. Similarly, you can make it 3D too. The process is same. Going to the effects menu and choosing the 3 option. I want to make it simple, so I'm not choosing this option. That's all for this video. It was easy and simple. Let me know in the comment box like what are the things that I need to improve in my video. Okay, so that in upcoming future videos I'll improve and I will give you a better content. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did learn something, smash that like button. If you have any kind of queries, let me know in the comment box. Share this video if you think someone needs it. And also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Remember, there is always more to learn. So keep learning.